You've been lied to for years. Doctors have told you that IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, is a life sentence, a chronic condition you're doomed to manage forever with pills, restrictive diets, and endless frustration. But what if I told you that's dead wrong? What if I told you that you can heal your gut fully, naturally, and permanently, starting today? No more bloating, no more unpredictable pain, no more living your life around IBS holding you hostage. Because IBS isn't just a digestive quirk, it's a screaming warning that your body is under attack, overrun by hidden invaders like candida, parasites, and a toxic soup of chemicals, preservatives, and junk your gut can't handle, silently triggering every miserable symptom. But here's the game changer: you can take control, reclaim your life, and I'm going to show you how. Listen, I get it, I've been there. For years, I was a prisoner to IBS, the sharp, stabbing pains hitting out of nowhere, the embarrassing gut pain that made me dread social events, work, the constant anxiety of flare-ups ruining my day. I tried everything: gluten-free diets, probiotics, medications promising relief but draining my wallet and hope. I felt trapped, betrayed by my body. That was me. Years ago, sick, frustrated, desperate for answers, but I found a way. Today, I'm symptom-free. No more IBS, no more suffering, just freedom, and that's what I want for you. That journey changed me. It lit a fire to help others break free. I became a nutritionist years ago, then a certified holistic health coach. Because I couldn't watch people suffer needlessly like I did, I've guided hundreds, real people, just like you, to heal their IBS naturally, reclaiming lives they thought were lost. I've seen their relief, their joy, emails saying, "I can't believe I feel this good again," and now, I've poured everything into the ultimate solution you've been searching for. Introducing the 12-week Gut Healing Masterclass. This is your answer to heal IBS for good. This isn't just another course, it's your escape from the IBS nightmare. A step-by-step, science-backed, life-changing roadmap to banish your symptoms, restore your gut, and transform your life. If you're exhausted by bloating, pain, and flare-ups controlling you, this is it, the solution that works. Because IBS isn't the issue, it's a symptom of deeper chaos: candida, parasites, toxic buildup in your gut. This masterclass doesn't mask symptoms with meds. It eradicates the root causes, permanently. I spent 3 years crafting this incredible program. It's packed with 55 video lessons over 12 weeks, 4 to 6 chapters, weekly articles, infographics, worksheets, and the healing herbs you need, including a complete gut detox kit with premium herbs to flush parasites, candida, bacteria, toxins like glyphosate, plus 100 aloe vera capsules to calm flares and rebuild your gut. Here's what's inside. Follow the 55 lessons weekly, and you'll uncover the toxins you're ingesting daily: chemicals, preservatives, junk wrecking your gut. Learn which foods and toxins to avoid to stop the damage. Dive into a powerful detox protocol wiping out parasites, candida, toxins with my herb kit. Then rebuild with 100 aloe vera capsules, nourishing foods, and herbs to restore balance. It's foolproof, easy, and designed to fit your life. Each week's lessons guide you step by step to heal IBS and change your life forever. Now, I know you're thinking, can I really do this? Yes, you can. I've made it simple and 100% effective. The 12-week Gut Healing Masterclass hands you 55 video lessons, breaking it down bite-sized, clear, actionable, with worksheets, infographics, cheat sheets to track progress. I've done the heavy lifting over 3 years. You just follow along and watch your gut and your life transform. Imagine this: in just 12 weeks, following the weekly lessons, you'll restore your gut's balance with delicious foods and healing herbs. Support digestion like a well-oiled machine, end guessing games, reduce stress with easy techniques calming your mind and body, boost your health with more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, and finally say goodbye to IBS forever. This isn't a dream, it's real. My students live it, and it's yours. All in 20 infographics and 55 videos, making it crystal clear. You won't be alone. Join our exclusive holistic healing chat room, a private space to connect with others, swap stories, get real-time answers from me and my team. It's a movement of people healing IBS, thriving like I did, and I'll guide you every step with 15 in-depth articles and worksheets. Close your eyes, see this. 12 weeks from now, you wake up light, energized, pain-free. No more IBS agony. No more canceled plans, eating freely, laughing with friends, chasing dreams, living life on your terms. That's not fantasy. That's your reality with this masterclass, and it's closer than you think. thanks to a system I perfected over 3 years with 55 videos and every tool you need. So, what's it worth to break free from IBS? Stop wasting money on fixes that fail. Invest in a proven system transforming hundreds of lives. The 12-week Gut Healing Masterclass with 55 video lessons, 15 articles, 20 infographics, 2 ebooks, worksheets, detox herbs, 100 aloe vera capsules, and community is valued at over $4,000, but I'm on a mission to help. I'm not charging $3,000 or $2,500. Right now, enroll for just $1,800, less than $150 weekly. Smarter than thousands spent on visits, meds, diets that failed. This isn't an expense, it's your life-changing investment. If you're ready to stop IBS controlling you, ready to heal and transform today, click below to enroll now, but don't wait. This offer's limited. Spots are filling fast. This could be your moment. The day you reclaim your life. Don't miss it. Click. Join the masterclass and let's heal your gut together. No more living around IBS. It's time to take control for good. Live the life you deserve. Let's get started now.